My new obsession is Vpart wigs, y'all. If you still want your hair to look really full, but you don't feel like dealing with lace, Vpart wigs are the next best thing.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and the more one. So what it's gonna be, baby, squad up.
I left my hair out up top, but this particular wig style you can rock without leaving any leave out. I personally like to do the leave out because it gives me a more natural look, especially since you can see my natural hair and my natural scalp coming through. Today's wig is from Sunber Hair. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. This is their Jerry Curly texture and it is 20 inches long. It's a nice and full V-part wig. It is very soft, very light. It feels airy, but it still gives a very beautiful density, and the length is just perfect. It looks very natural. I get so many compliments whenever I rock these curly style V-part wigs. If you would like to see how I installed this V-part wig and how I blended it with my natural hair, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I got. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. You know I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Sometimes. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried, yeah, to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here.
Vpart wigs are absolutely doing it for me right now. This one looks so pretty. It's very full, but it's not heavy on my head at all. I am loving these Vpart wigs. I want to try a straight one next because I've only done like curly texture Vpart wigs. I think a straight one would be super cute as well. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Sunber Hair, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you're interested in checking out the makeup tutorial on this look right here, I did an everyday super simple makeup look for beginners, so definitely go check that out next. I'm going to have the link right here for you guys.